Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, I have another style for you. So I did this crochet hair. It was so easy, so fast, and it is beautiful, and I have just got to share with you guys. Well, first things first, if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel, and let's go on this journey together. Well, if you want to see how I created this one, go ahead and stay tuned. So my hair, I cornrow all the way back, really simple. What I'm going to do on this one is I'm going to use, I just oil my scalp right now. And I'm going to use a net actually to cover the middle of my head, just because I'm doing a bang style and I want a little bit of coverage in the middle. So this is the hair I'm using. This is African collection. This is their Jamaican bounce, and this is the color 4 and 30, and it's just sewing the net in the middle of my head, just for a little more coverage, like I said, and that's pretty much it. I did some cut, and I'm spreading it with some water, and I'm gonna put some mousse just for more definition of the curls, and that's pretty much it. And just style it as usual. And I gotta say, guys, this is my first time doing a straight bangs into my forehead like this. I always have like a side bang, and I just wanted to try something new. So this time I try it with the curly hair. I'm gonna try it again with a straight hair and see how that looks as the final result, guys. I gotta say, I love the overall look of this hair. I'm enjoying this bang. The hair was really fast to install. The whole process took me less than an hour. It was you know, the texture is very nice and nappy. I like it. Well, I hope you guys like it as well. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends and family, and if you have any question or any suggestion, you can also leave me comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.